just want the Audi and I want it every color. Kick it with my baby and I treat her like no other. I just get the bag and then I split it with my bro.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Before I get into the video, if you came here to know how to get your hair curly, you have to already have taken care of your hair. If you don't wash your hair on the daily or condition your hair on the daily, then you might have to do that first before you do any of this. Before I get into this, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and make sure y'all like the video and share it with your friends. Now, like I said, I don't like my intros to be long. I like to get straight to it, so let's do this. I'm finna get in the shower and I'm finna wash my hair. I'm finna show you the products that I use, so I really don't have to do that. So I'm gonna just show you right now everything that I use, and I'm gonna get in there and wash my hair. I'm gonna condition it, then I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna show you exactly what I use when I do get out. The shampoo that I actually use to wash my hair is Cantu Natural Cleansing Cream shampoo. You use this. I use that. Make sure when you actually in it, you actually get in your scalp. You're not just rubbing it on your hair. Conditioner I use is also by Cantu, and it's called Natural Hair Hydrating Cream Conditioner. When you use that, you get that in your scalp too. Make sure everything you use, you put it in your scalp. You do the conditioner, make sure you leave it in your hair. Leave it in your hair while you're washing up. And after you're done washing up or whatever you're done doing all that, then you take it out. And then that's when the next process begins, and that's when I'm gonna be in there. Now I know all the little process when you're in the shower, so let's go.
All right, so let's do this. First, let me hit a little dance. Ooh, wow, hey, wait, bow, wait, hold up, bow. Wait, so we gonna act like I didn't just flex on y'all? Look at them curls, man. Keep watching the video if y'all want something like this, you feel me? Y'all gonna use this little stuff right here, you feel me? Just keep, just rub it all in your hair. And make sure you do a little bit of shaking, you know, all that stuff. Get it all in your scalp. Get it everywhere. Don't miss no spots. Because if you miss spots, you're going to look like who did it and what the hell for, because it's going to be looking dry in some spots and it's going to be looking good in some spots. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is a final little, just follow the steps. Damn. Thank y'all for watching this video. I'll catch y'all later. Peace out. Bye.